The next station is Charing Cross. Change at Charing Cross for mainline railways. Charing Cross. This is a Bakerloo line train calling at all stations to Elephant Castle. The next station is Embankment. Change at Embankment for the Northern District and Circle lines. This is Embankment. This is a Bakerloo line train calling at all stations to Elephant Castle. The next station is Waterloo. Change at Waterloo for mainline railways, the Jubilee and Northern lines. This is Waterloo. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is a Bakerloo line train calling at all stations to Elephant Castle. The next station is Lambeth North. This is Lambeth North. The next station is Elephant and Castle. Change at Elephant and Castle for mainline railways and the Northern line. This is Elephant and Castle. This train terminates here. All change please.